As I've said it time and time again, that XRP will be worth more than Bitcoin. I really do believe that. Now, again, it is my opinion. It's not saying it's 100% fact. I believe it, so it's a fact to me, but I know that it's still only my opinion and others don't believe that the same way, right? They don't see exactly what I'm seeing. But with many things that are happening in the world, um, with many things that are happening in the world of crypto, you can see that XRP has a huge presence in the market. Honestly, arguably a bigger presence than a Bitcoin or an Ethereum or a Solana or anything else that's in the market because of the impact and the use and the adoption and the belief, right? There's so much going for it. And I want to talk about some huge news, some game-changing news for XRP, for Ripple, and for the success that this cryptocurrency, this parent company can have in all of its endeavors. So before we get started, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my link for BTCC down below. If you guys are interested in this platform, it is a very good platform that I've been using for over a year. And you can day trade, swing trade, long term invest. You can uh, leverage trade. That's the word I was looking for. You can leverage trade all the way up to a 500x leverage and as little as a 2x leverage. So you give yourself room to be wrong, but then also no room to be wrong. So you can have massive gains or you could potentially have lesser gains, but then be a lot safer, right? So, anyways, feel free to check out that link. They have a giveaway going on. If you use my link by the end of the month and sign up, deposit, and trade, you will be entered to win 375 USDT. Now, XRP currently stands at a $1.45 price. It is down by 1.3%. We're seeing about $2 billion worth of volume and less than $90 billion market cap. It sucks to see it below $100 billion, seeing that this was above a $200 billion market cap. But you can say the same for Bitcoin being well above the $2 trillion market cap and now being lower than that. You can say the same thing there. The overall market in crypto not really looking the best. But when we understand crypto, or when we even talk about crypto, if you're talking to crypto to somebody that has never invested or never even looked into it at all, what's the one of the first questions that they do ask you after you start explaining crypto or you investing into crypto? What can you use it for? That's kind of always the question that I get. What are you going to be able to use the cryptocurrency for? I can use my dollar right now. What can you use the cryptocurrency for? What's the value behind it? And honestly, when you look at a Bitcoin, the value is just what people want to pay for it. And any investment really is that. But a lot of it is based on like what you can, like what's the demand for use or what's the demand to have it. And for Bitcoin, it's just the store value, the scarcity, people are grabbing it and holding it like it's a gold. But for others, like an XRP, it may be more towards or more geared towards the use case and actually utilizing XRP in a large way. So when I talk about it, I know that this position is game changing. I know that there's many others that also have a decent sized use case that can be game changing. And I've mentioned this. This is why I look at it as a difference between Bitcoin and XRP and even Ethereum and Bitcoin. But XRP more than anything else because of the fact that um, XRP is always making these partnerships, always having this news that's coming out about how it can be used, about real world assets and banking partnerships and all that stuff there. Because we look at Bitcoin, these are the top three cryptocurrencies in the world, and XRP is sitting at about a $90 billion market cap. So what's this game changing news? Now, if you go over to Google, I went to Gemini to get this, news that happened today, right? So Ripple has shifted its focus towards becoming a primary infrastructure provider for real world assets in institutional DeFi. permissioned DEX, activated today, February 18th, 2026. This feature allows institutions to access blockchain-based liquidity without interacting with unregulated public markets. Strategic partnerships. On February 18th, 2026, Avia investors announced a partnership with Ripple to tokenize traditional funds structured on the XRPL. This follows a massive $4 billion acquisition spree by Ripple in 2025 to build out its institutional suite, including its prime broker Hidden Road and treasury platform G Treasury. Banking license progress. Ripple received conditional OCC approval for its national bank charter in late 2025. This has applied for a Federal Reserve master account, which would allow it to plug directly into the U.S. payment systems like FedWire and FedNow. This is completely different than what you would expect from, let's say, a Bitcoin, right? You have things that are happening on the back end to make it more usable, to make it more desirable. Like, it's ridiculous of how desirable this can be and how big of a company the parent company Ripple is becoming and what they're doing, partnering with banks, right? Banking license progress, permission DEX, strategic partnerships that are there, $4 billion acquisition spree in 2025. Like, these are the things that you want to see from cryptocurrency when somebody says, what does it do? What will it be used for? Well, this is a great way to introduce somebody into crypto. That's why I think XRP is going to be the largest cryptocurrency in the world. It's no doubt in my mind that that's going to be the case. Now, am I 100% right? No, right? This is just my opinion and some other people's opinions as well. But I see all of these things that are happening, and it's not like I'm making up the news that's there. This is the news that's coming out on February 18th, February 17th, last year, the year before that, right? All the things that are happening, all of the partnerships, small partnerships, large partnerships, big pieces, small pieces, everything's falling into place. It doesn't matter how you're doing this puzzle. That puzzle is going in one by one, sometimes two or three, and you're just seeing it all be completed. So I'm excited for what XRP will be. And I want to know what you guys think about this, because again, it's not a given, right? It's not saying that I'm 100% right, but you see it happen right before your eyes. All of the news. I'm not making this stuff up. It's huge. It's game changing. It's something that everything together will create the big picture in what we want to see and what we want to get out of cryptocurrency. And then eventually you're going to be like, oh, that's what he was getting at. But at that point, for you as an investor, it might be too late. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Check out my link for BTCC down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.